Hey everyone, welcome back to 100 Day Outlook Learning Challenge. Today we are learning how to organize emails using categories in new Outlook. This feature is really underrated, but once you get the hang of it, your inbox will feel more manageable. So let's jump on it.
So, what exactly are categories? They help you organize emails, calendar events, tasks, even contacts without moving them into folders. And the best part, you can apply multiple categories to one email. So, let's start with how to categorize an email manually. So, currently I'm on my inbox. Now, I have to select the email which I need to categorize. So, I select this one and click right mouse button. Now you will get few options and you need to simply hover your mouse over category option. Here you need to select the color. You can use red, you can use yellow, purple, green, and you can also create your own new category. So here this will allow you to name your category. So I name it say KFW projects. Now I can assign a color to this category. So I assign this color, which is dark. In the tag section, you will see this category option. When you click on this drop down, you will get all these options once again. You can simply select any one of it, or you can create the new category from here. So this time I use blue category and this category is assigned to this email. In case you need to change the name of the category, you need to go to this options which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now here you need to select categories and here are the categories you have already given. You only need to click on this edit button. Once you click on it, that name you can very easily change it. Now, a lot of my friends ask me how to view all your category emails or how you can filter out or sort your emails which are categorized. So there are three methods for it. First method is you can use this search bar. Here, what you need to do is to simply type category colon. Now you have to remember the name you have given. So I type KFW projects and hit enter. Now you will see I have assigned two emails to this category, and once I type category colon KFW projects, both the emails are listed. Now the second method, which is quite tricky, you can separate those emails using new search folder. So I will show you the exact step-by-step method. So when you hover your mouse from the left navigation section, you will see this option which is search folder. All you have to do is to click on it. You have to click create new search folder and a small dialog box appears. Now here, select the type. First click on this drop down. Now you have to select the categories, which is over here. When you click on it, search folder name. So I type it KFW projects. Now add your category, click on the drop down, and you have to select your KFW projects, which you have already created. The best part is in the new search folder, you can add all up to 10 categories to filter out the emails. So in case you need to add another one, you can select like this and hit create. Now in seconds, you will see your KFW folder is created. Once you click on it, you will see emails. This is my KFW project email, which I have already tagged with this color, and the RDSs which I have tagged with green color. Both emails are filtered and listed in this folder. One more clarification I need to give you that once you create new search folder, that doesn't mean your email will be removed from your inbox. The email will be also available in your main inbox folder. Now, one more thing I need to share with you guys is how you can automate categorization with rules. That's also a very interesting thing. First, I will show you. You have to click on this rule, click on Manage Rules. This rule is available under Home tab in the Move section. Click Manage Rules. Now, here you need to click on Add New Rule. First, you need to name the rule. So I name it Categorize. Now, add a condition. So here, I'm wondering whenever I receive an email from my boss or when I receive an email with the subject line RDSS projects or KFW projects, my Outlook will automatically mark that email with that specific category. So I select here subject include. So here I need to give Outlook a keyword. So my keyword is RDSS. You can also add another category over here, but I don't need it. Now add an action. So what I need to do is to categorize them. So here, when I click on the drop down, under mark messages, I will see categorize. When I click categorize, I need to select the category. So the selection is RDSS, which is very clear, and hit stop processing more rules is already selected. No problem. Now I need to select run rule now and hit save. Now your rule is created and listed in the rule list. Now you can very easily turn off this or disable the rule. You can use this more actions to edit the rule, to delete the rule. You can move rule down. You can move rule bottom. Now close this box. Now whenever I receive a new email with the subject line RDSS project, the Outlook will automatically mark that email as RDSS project category. Now once my email is marked as that category, I need that email to be shifted to a specific folder. Again, in that case, your rule will work. Now, again, I go to the Home tab, click on Rules, click Manage Rules. Now, here you will see my existing rule. So, what is rule says that whenever I receive an email with the subject RDSS projects, that will mark that email as category. So, now I need to add another thing, that is, once the email received with the subject line RDSS, the email is marked as category. But I also want to add that that email will automatically shifted to a specific folder. So I here add another action, click the drop down. Now here I will select move to. Now that will ask me to select the folder over here. So I click on this drop down once again. Now you will see system provide me few folders, archive, inbox, delete items. I can also create the new folder if required, or I can move to a different folder. So I click different folder. So all the other folders are also visible here. So here I create new folder. The new folder is RDSS project category. Now hit save, and the folder is also selected and hit save. Now it's completed. That email will automatically marked as category and shifted to a specific folder. The folder is also here. This is the folder. So one of my colleague asked me, why use category for all? So the answer is, you can track related emails across folders. You can set priority visually, and that will help you to focus on the stuff that matters. Now I will show you one bonus tip also. If you want to list out the specific categories on the screen, what you need to do, for example, I have this email which is marked with this category. I simply need to click on this category, and in few seconds, all the emails with this category are listed over here. You will see in the search bar as well, this category is also added here to filter out the emails. Now, in case you want to edit, delete the category, what you need to do, again, go to this setting dialog box, click on accounts, go to categories, and you will see over here, select the one you want to remove. Say I want to remove RDSS, or I want to remove KFW projects. Simply click on this delete, and this will remove the category from the messages and event they were added to, but won't delete the item themselves. That means if you have marked any email with this category, that category will remove from the mail. So I will show you. I hit delete, close this dialog box, and you see this email I have marked as that category will remove from the. Now one of the feature which is my favorite feature is you can very easily add any category to favorites. For that you need to click on this gear symbol which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Once again, go to accounts, select categories. Now here you will see in every category there are three options. This is edit, which I have already told you. This is delete. Now this star is the favorite. Once you click on this star, you will see this category will be added in your favorite folder. The favorite folder appears over here, and this is the category. Once you click on it, you will simply jump directly to all the emails which are marked as this category. If you click on these three dots, you will see remove from folders option is also available. Now using categories help Keep your inbox clean and your brain clear. Comment below if you use categories already or if you are exciting to try them now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons in the Outlook Learning Challenge. See you in the next one.